Dear motorhome, sweet motorhome, there's something you must know. I've longed to drive you since we met at that Class C RV show. I knew that I must rent you. I knew that you'd be mine. I'd make a pact, I'd seal the deal. That contract I would sign. I went to Cruise America. They showed me where you were. To see you in that parking spot, I felt my urges stir. Your tires black and beautiful, your water tanks so full, it almost took my breath away to climb into your hull. I gently slipped behind your wheel. I lightly turned the key. I heard your motor start to purr. My soul was filled with glee. My hand was wrapped around your knob. I pulled you into drive. I felt you thrusting forward as your tranny came alive. We've camped across the nation. You've been in my backyard. But soon I'll have to take you back, and that'll be so hard. Fear not, my little motor love. Let's wipe those tears away. For soon you will be up for sale, and I'll be there to pay. I've been with other motorhomes. I've sampled every class. The A's, the B's, they don't compare to your sexy Class C mass. I love you, Class C motorhome. You've made my life complete. And if you actually had them, I would stoop and kiss your feet.